Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle channel. In this video we'll do a full review and live investment in the MaticStaker, so please stay connected. Alright guys, so I'm doing this video instantly after I got to it. I was waiting for it to launch. It just launched yesterday. Matic is doing really good, so I'm able to make more Matic here because this is early, guys, so that's something that I'm doing. Alright, so let's connect with my wallet first. Okay, well, it's been a busy few days, so yeah, and we're connected. The balance is growing. There is already almost 10,000 Matic, so this thing is flying, guys. Now I have to choose my plan, and initially I was thinking about joining one of these after plans. An after plan is what you might call a sort of, if you invest, you won't get daily earnings. You'll get everything after the plan is finished. So here you'll get everything after 14 days, and it will be basically double what you invested. So it will be 90% profit, but you will have to wait 14 days. Here, but the profit is pretty nice. So that might be the best plan for you if you want to risk, because this is a high risk, okay, because you won't be able to recap your initial investment along the way. So that will be, in my opinion, the best way to go. As for these two plans, I won't risk it because they are a long plan, so we're not sure how this thing will go because it's still early. If they build a lot huge community, it might even work for like 2 or 3 months. That's been done, but that's too risky for me, so maybe I will also invest in this one. But first of all, I would like to have a daily income. That's what I'm like, and I will go for 21 days because that's, in my opinion, the best plan here. That's of course my opinion. Okay, that's not something you have to do. There are some special functions here. We will talk about them. I covered this in my last video because I've done a preview about this. But first of all, let's do what we all like. So let's invest a little bit. So let's invest 100 Matic. So I will get 36 Matic profit here, and well, I can reinvest, I can put more. That's my initial goal here, so let's do it. So if I deposit here, I have to wait. It will show me the fee I have to pay. Okay, and always check that out, guys, what you're doing. This is invest function. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do it now. They have been audited by Hayes, so I'm feeling pretty safe here. So there has been things that have been checked. I've learned how it works, so I'm comfortable risking here. That's what I'm doing. I'm only going with the amount I am ready to lose. You will have to wait a little bit for it to for the transaction to go. Matic is like that sometimes, so there will be this token airdrop that I'm looking for, actually, because I like DAPPs with tokens. That's something that I've been very successful with in the past, so it will be airdropped on the 5th of April. We will see if this thing keeps up long enough for us to profit from this airdrop somehow. And these tokenomics will be designed for a long investment to earn a fixed 2% daily on your investment for the rest of your life, where we'll be releasing tokenomics and the roadmap before the airdrop. So that's something that will additionally maybe help this one to grow, okay, because that's something that we need here as one of the first investors here. you know, that's something that I'm expecting. You know, that's my speculation that if this goes well with the tokens and everything, this one can be really profitable. Okay, let's take a look at their documentation, because there are some perks here that are important. So there is a 10% withdrawal fee, which is reinvested into the contract to sustain it. So that's something, even though it pays a lot and it's like degen stuff, it's something that will sustain this contract for longer. It will help not to deplete it too fast, so people won't panic. That's something that I really like. And they have this basic interest rate, but this is only for new deposits. Okay, so when the fresh people will go, you know, in on the 5th day, usually that's, you know, a bit too late to be you know, in this high risk stuff. But here they will actually get a few percent more than people who went in the first day, so they will be able to get some kind of gratification for joining late, making it more fair, you know, for everybody. So that's I like this as well. They also have this you know, diversified plans, so you can basically choose from 5 to 8% daily, plus there will be a basic interest rate which will grow daily, of course, so this will pay more after some time. The minimum deposit is only 10 Matic, so it's not a lot, guys. Basically anybody can afford this. What I'm doing, as you can see, I'm going into many dApps. I have a diversified portfolio. There are some dApps that I like more and there are some that I like less, but overly I'm creating a portfolio, and some of it may go better, some of it may go not so good. Sometimes, you know, there might be some accidental fuck ups. That stuff happens. I have this calculated, but you know, I am choosing these things. I'm trying to, so they haven't haze outed, which already gives some publicity. People are browsing on the haze website and will find it. So I like that. You know, these plans, I already told you which is my favorite and which one from the type 2 I would consider, but these are locked plans, so you will be able to withdraw profit only in the end of the plan. Okay, and this plan will use capitalization of interest, and it will like compound itself, and then you are able to get this much profit because it will auto compound. You can compound yourself, just withdraw your earnings and pour more, but you'll need this to meet this 10 Matic minimum criteria. So that's how it works, guys. You can also refer this if you want. You can do a video like I do. Anybody can basically do it. It's not that hard, you know, and it pays if you work hard, believe me. So that's what you can do. You can also just like show it to your friends, explain everything, explain the risk, and you know, this is not a financial advice, guys. I might get, you know, a small percentage from you going from my referral link, which is in the description of this video, but you know, I'm here to help you. I won't push you into anything, and you know, this is risky stuff. I'm doing it, but that's just me. I'm crazy and addicted, so and I love it. Actually, this is fun for me. You know, it's like entertainment. So I do a lot of things, you know, besides this. Believe me. So that's fun for me, and maybe you should treat it the same. Don't go, you know, with too much if you're not sure, because well, let's refresh this thing. I'm not sure if the transaction went through. It's still, you know, I'm still waiting. It takes time sometimes. Maybe I should put more gas to it, and I'm sure if it will go through. I'm already invested on few Matic websites, so yeah. You'll find your link here. You have a 3-level referral program. They are on DAPP radar too, so that's good that they, you know, they've done a good job preparing everything before the launch. So yeah, my Matic gas. It has shown that my gas should be higher. You should maybe put a little bit more gas, not to wait so much, just be aware of that Matic sometimes when the network is busy, you might need to put some more gas into your transactions. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Oh yeah, it's already here. So now I'm earning like in real time. So that's why I love these things. They have this advantages. If you're watching this video and it's like 10 days from the moment that I publish it, you might think about investing here, because there will be a high percentage. Then everything, just check the balance. Just think for yourself. Alright guys, as you can see, it's growing. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you on another video, which will be published soon. As you can see, I'm doing like even sometimes it will be 3 videos per day. There will be new segments on my channel, so stay connected. There will be some giveaways too. And thank you for watching this video. See you soon.